Cindy. We're going to make an air fryer chicken parm, which should be healthier than some of the parm that we've seen going on. We have chicken breast that we've sliced thinner than normal because our chicken breasts were huge. We have some mozzarella cheese, some butter melted, some breadcrumbs with some Parmesan cheese in it and garlic powder, and some marinara sauce. So the first thing it says that we need to do is dip our chicken into the butter. So we're going to take and pick the chicken up, dip it into the butter. And before we started all this, we did preheat the air fryer at 360 for 3 minutes. After you dip into the butter, it's going to go into the breadcrumbs and that mixture. Turn it over a couple times to get it covered. If it doesn't cover well, take and splash some up on. And then it's going to go into the air fryer pan, which we've already sprayed with oil. And it says not to overcrowd your basket or to preheat it too long. We'll do a second piece since we're fixing lunch. And you can do this lightly with the butter. It says you can just brush it on so you get a lighter coating, and then put into the breadcrumbs. And you always need to be careful with chicken because you don't want to contaminate everything with it. So make sure you are safe. And as you can see, this is a huge chicken breast. It's going into the air fryer pan also. And then it says to sprinkle some oil on top of it. So we have some olive oil. And we're just going to lightly sprinkle some on. And then it's going to go into the air fryer for, let me check the minutes, 6 minutes. And then we're going to turn it and put it back in. All right, we're cooking in the air fryer now, and we'll be back in just a few minutes to finish it up. Okay, it is almost done. We're going to take it out and flip it and cook it for about 3 minutes, and then we'll top it with our toppings and put it back in for a couple more minutes or until the cheese melts. Countdown is on. It's a long minute. It smells really good. It's got garlic in there. Makes it smell really good. See, it's gone off now. It'll take it a few minutes to cycle through and stop. All right, we'll take a look and see what the chicken looks like. I'm going to flip it over. Ooh, nice, big chunks of chicken. I'm going to put it in for 3 minutes and let it cook again. And we'll start. Okay, now we're going to wait and let it cook 3 minutes, and we'll be back and put toppings on. Sorry. We still got just a pink tinge in there. We're going to let it cook here another couple minutes, and then we'll put toppings on. cooking. And you can see and hear the sizzle. Now we're going to put some toppings on it. We've got our marinara sauce. And spread it on. Want to spread it out. I like it all over my chicken, not just in spots. And spread it over the other one. And spread it out again. And then we're going to take some mozzarella. And you can see from the package, it's shredded mozz. And it says it has 80 calories per, I believe, tablespoon size. Actually, for 1/4 of a cup. Wow. So we're going to sprinkle this on. For 1/4 of a cup, for 80 calories, that's a pretty good deal. Do the other piece. Now this chicken parm we could put over spaghetti, spaghetti squash, put it over rice. And I think today we're actually going to make chicken parm sandwiches with ours. All right, it's ready to go back into the air fryer. Looks pretty good. It's going back in for 3 minutes. And we'll be back in about 3 to see what it looks like. It's getting ready to go off. We're going to check and see if things have melted down. If not, we'll melt it, put it back in a little bit longer. If so, all right. Ooh, looks pretty good. Cheese is melted, a little brown. And we are having chicken parm sandwiches for lunch. So, fun. I'm picking chicken parm, and this is a big chicken breast. This probably really could do 2 people. And there we have it. 2 chicken parms for lunch.